Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we are making Italian style garlic soup. To begin, in a large pot over medium heat, add in half a cup of olive oil, followed by a medium-sized onion diced, one large leek sliced, and half a teaspoon of dry thyme. Leave that to sweat but do not brown, about 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes, add in 2 full head of garlic. Continue cooking for about 15 minutes but do not let it brown. And after 15 minutes, add in 2 potatoes diced, followed by 7 cups of chicken stock. Season with kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper, both to taste. Now let it simmer for 25 to 30 minutes. And while we wait, let's go ahead and make some croutons. We are dicing up 4 slices of bread. You may dice them up to whatever size you prefer, size does not matter. In a frying pan over low heat, add in some olive oil. Add in the bread and fry until golden brown and crispy. The slower you fry them, the longer they will remain crispy in the soup. Once they are golden brown and crispy, set them aside. And after simmering for 30 minutes, the potatoes would be fork tender. Then add half a cup of heavy cream. Now with a blender, blend it all in. Taste and adjust salt and pepper to your liking. And to finish it off, add in 1 cup of fresh Italian parsley. Give that a quick mix, and now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, Italian style garlic soup. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching. Bye!